you feel today?
I'm doing good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Nick. What's your name?
My name is Ming.
Very nice.
You have a very good name.
Thank you.
And where are you from?
I'm from London.
London. England?
Yes, England. Where are you from?
I'm from here in England, Vietnam.
Very nice.
I think England is very far from here, isn't it?
It's very fun.
Oh. And do you enjoy your trip in Vietnam?
Yes, I'm loving it so far.
Can you tell me about something interesting in your country?
I mean, compared to Vietnam, we don't have that much that's interesting, but I do like it in England. We have a lot of everything. We have a little bit of everything. It rains sometimes, but that's okay.
I mean the famous place.
We have Big Ben
Yeah,
in London.
Big Ben.
We have the Houses of Parliament.
Yeah.
Wimbledon has tennis.
And I just know is one of the very famous universities.
Yes, Oxford and Cambridge.
Yeah, Cambridge.
Yes.
Our listen book is also come from Cambridge.
Yes.
That is very famous, I think.
It's a very famous university, yes.
Yeah.
Very, very good.
And it's famous on our book too.
Yes.
And do you like that university?
I don't go there, but I do like it. I think it's very good.
Do you want to come to there for study one day?
Yes.
Oh,
Very nice. Yes. Do you want to go there?
Yeah, I think so. But it's too far. I think I
Very
can't
far,
come
yeah.
to there. So, and what do you like most about Vietnam?
I love the food here. And the food's very, very nice. It's very hot for me. For me, it's very hot, but I love the food.
What food you like most in Vietnam?
I like the quang noodles.
Sorry?
Quang noodles. I have
Quang
those.
noodles.
Yes.
Can you call it in Vietnamese?
No.
What does it look like? Is that fried?
No. Noodles, pork, and some eggs.
Oh, noodle, pork, and some eggs. I think I would listen to that
Yeah.
before. Do you know where did you buy it? In which city?
I had it in Hoi An and Da Nang.
Or in Hoi An in Da Nang? Is that very famous there?
They were quite famous there, yes.
Oh,
I have banh mi as well.
maybe.
Yes.
Oh, do you like with any topping inside?
I like beef, lettuce, and some sauces.
Oh, that's good. And what do you like most? What do you like most about Ninh?
What, sorry?
Do you like anything in Ninh?
I've only been here for a few hours, so I haven't got to try everything yet. You recommend anything?
Sorry?
You recommend me anything?
I don't understand. Sorry.
Is there something good that I should try?
Oh yeah. Do you know Trang An?
Sorry?
Trang An.
No.
You can come to there for take the boat.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Trang An and Tam Cốc, over there you can take a boat. Trang An is more famous. There you can take the boat for 3 hours.
Ah, okay. I'll try it.
One of the tickets is 3 hours, one is 4 hours.
Wow.
And in Tam Cốc, is 1 to 2 hours. Like the time I was
I'll try
coming
it.
there
I'll try it.
before. Okay. Here is for you. This is the picture of Tam Cốc.
Thank you. Very nice.
Here for you.
Thank you.
Okay. And your trip in Vietnam. Thank you for listening. Goodbye. Nice to see you.
Bye-bye.